our last question for today. Are we allowed to rebuke someone that, on one hand, is doing something that is not forbidden by the halacha, but on the other hand, it's not recommendable what this person is doing? Are we allowed to rebuke him?
Okay, that's a very good question. So some say if it's rabbinical and it would make him worse, so don't tell him. So if it's custom, also you're not obligated, but proper, like not to rebuke, but tell person. So if there's any chance that he or she is going to listen to us, yeah, we should tell them. And many people get embarrassed. I did not know. I mean, embarrassed not because of what we said, but because of the actions. They say, I did not know this and that, and they change the actions. Maybe after that they switch back, but but at least in the time being they actually regret and they want to change. Maybe they're going to change. So we're allowed to tell them. So of course, starts very humble. I did not know myself. I just learned it, who I am. To tell you, probably know more. But this thing, maybe the only thing that I know, like something like that. Right? And you can tell them what they're going to do. It's not up to us. And we try and be nice, trying to show that we're trying to help them, and that's it.